I heard that YouTube is monetizing small creators, and we're gonna put that to the test. I'm going to be showing you my plan to get monetized on YouTube fast as a small creator and how you can use it too. Make sure to subscribe and let's watch the video. Hi, it's Tata Royals and welcome back to another Royal video. So as you can see, I heard that YouTube is monetizing small creators fast and I want to put that to the test. So I created a plan where I'm going to be executing, taking it really serious and not playing around, because I haven't been posting on this channel for a long time and I'm serious about seeing the results, the good results. So this is step one on how we're going to do it. Step one is find your niche, but make it you. Pick a niche that you're comfortable with and have fun recording, and something that blends with what you're good at, so you don't get burnt out creating videos that doesn't resonate with what you want. Make it specific, not just all broad, and let your personality be the brand. Step two, we're gonna start on a series, focused on series and not just random videos, because I feel like when you have series, people are always gonna come back to see your progress in that series because they could relate, or they just want to see what's going on. They're curious. So you can do like 90 days doing this, or 1 week trying this, or 6 days trying that. And this also helps the algorithm understand your niche. Step three, make sure your niche is searchable. You want to make sure your content is searchable, because with SEO, you want your content easy to find and easy to just get straight to the video. And you want your content to also be relatable in that niche, so you can share your stories or your struggle with people and it helps connect more. Step four, nail the first 3 seconds, because this is where audience retention, this is where they're going to choose if they're gonna watch the video or skip the video. So nail the first 3 seconds with a nice hook, with a nice surprise, or a question mark so people can keep watching. Design clickable thumbnails. Use bold text, facial expression, and contrast. Make the viewers feel some type of curiosity, or make it look a certain way where they're so interested, it's so intrigued because it's so pretty. Step six, you're gonna keep posting even when you get low views, or you get 0 views, or you're just not feeling to part. You're going to be posting quality content and not giving up, because that's what we're going to do. We're here to see results and we're here to work hard, because this is not going to be easy. So we have to be strict with how much we're posting and keep doing it no matter what. So step 7, you want to build a community and an audience. So when they comment, respond to the questions, respond to the answers, thank them, and let them know that you are seeing their support and you love their support. So, and you want to use phrases like, you're coming with me, we're doing this together. Make them feel connected, make them feel like you're a real person and not a brand. Number 8, keep learning and evolving. So this is all about learning and seeing what works and what's not, seeing what videos that people don't watch a lot and see what videos people are watching a lot, and analyzing the videos that don't make a lot of views, taking that out of your work, and keep focusing on the videos that people are watching, and like analyzing how short are they logging off and how long are they watching, or even if they're watching the whole videos. Make sure you're getting the analytics right and writing down the way the people are watching the video and what works and what's not. 9, we're going to batch film ahead, because burnout is real, and you know, with a busy life, busy days, schools, work, kids, whatever it could be your situation, you want to batch create on those days that you don't want to feel like posting, but you have a video prepared and you're still on your streak on posting all the time consistently. And number 11, be patient and stay in the game, because we are going to do this together and we're going to stay together. And any questions you have, we can talk to each other, because we want to get successful and get our YouTube career up. Now it's time for posting schedule to grow on YouTube fast as a small creator. Our goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to get monetized. So this is the plan. Long form videos 1 to 2 times a week. I'm going to be doing 2 times a week because I want to challenge myself and I feel like I can do it, and I feel like it's a better chance to getting yourself exposed and out there. And I'm going to be doing them 8 to 10, I would say 8 to 20 minutes, but maybe 8 to 15 minutes, because I feel like more than 20 minutes is better when you already have an audience. But as a small creator, I like to keep it short and simple and straight to the point. I feel like YouTube Shorts is really good for fast discovery, growth, and just getting yourself out there quick. And literally, you could get viral on YouTube Shorts and have like 10 subscribers. And it happened to me before, so I love YouTube Shorts. I'm going to post on YouTube Shorts 3 to 5 times a week because I feel like I've been testing my YouTube Shorts, posting every day. Sometimes work, and then the algorithm doesn't like it. So I'm learning YouTube Shorts and stuff like that. And I'm going to be trying posting YouTube Shorts every other day or every 2 days and stuff like that, and see what works for the algorithm. For the community tab, I'm going to be posting and being active on there for 2 to 3 times a week, making polls, asking questions, asking the viewers what they like, what videos I should post more, what videos they want me to talk about in depth, and just having that community and building on that community. And according to ChatGPT, the best time to post on YouTube, example, this is how I feel like my routine is going to be: Monday, post a short; Tuesday, post a community post; Wednesday, post a long form video; Thursday, short; Friday, community post; and then Saturday, long form or community, long form video or short. And then keep trying that routine and keep trying. That's the best thing about being a small creator. You get to try a lot of things and see if it works out, and get to see trial and errors and see what works for you. And that's going to be my plan to get monetized for YouTube as a small creator the quickest way. So my goal is for 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So we're gonna put that to the test, and you guys can also follow this plan too for whatever niche you're in. And let's do this together. I can't wait to see everyone's progress. I can't wait to see what everybody's niche is. So below, comment what your niche is and what's your goal with YouTube, and if you think this is possible. And make sure to subscribe so you stay tuned so you can see the results.